Greetings, fellow scholars. Welcome to Quantitative Literacy. In this course, we learn to ask each other meaningful questions and to give each other informed answers.
Hello, everyone. I'm Andrea, and I'm in Ms. Finzi's online quantitative literacy class, and I'm going to be talking about the fundamental counting principle.
Andrea, what is the fundamental principle?
It's basically the multiplication rule. You're just going to be multiplying.
And how could you use a table to determine sample spaces and compute probabilities?
We have used this method already in Module 1 with our Excel exam questions. And as you could tell, it makes computing probabilities pretty simple. And thank you guys for all the questions, and I hope I demonstrated it to you in an effective manner where you guys can understand that using this is pretty simple. Thank you.
You did a great job, Andrea. Thank you. My name is Casey Walters, and I'm in Ms. Finzi's quantitative literacy class, and I am going to be demonstrating to you Venn diagrams.
Okay, Casey, before you begin, can you explain what is a Venn diagram?
We use presentation software and spreadsheets to illustrate and communicate about mathematics.
With just a normal day, we will be going over the normal distribution curve along with going over its characteristics and using the empirical rule in order to figure out the z-score that connects to it. My name is Dava Pound, and this is Bianca Porter.
All right, so the question says, suppose that IQ scores had a bell-shaped distribution with a mean of 100 and the standard deviation of 15. What percentage of people should have an IQ score between 85 and 115? And right here it's 100 for the mean. The mean is always going to be in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
So to find the z-score, what I did was use z equals x minus the mean divided by the standard deviation. So you will get x1 minus the mean, which is 100, and you divide it by 15, the standard deviation. And you'd be like, negative 15 divided by 15 is negative 1.00. In this case, it would be 1.0. You would find it on the table, and it will give you 0.3413. So what that means is that the area from x1 to 100 is 0.3413, and that is how you would find the z-score for the area.
Or 34.13%.
Yes.
Hello, my name is Tariq Kirkendall, and this is my Module 4 Excel report. So for question number 5, it was about a new resort that opened in Costa Rica. You could either pay $200 a day and decrease by $25 every day. That is represented in this first graph where you see it at 200, and then it's a steady linear function. For option number 2, it was $300 a day, subtract 10 times the square of the number from the day's previous cost. You start off at 300, and then you would go to 90 because it's subtract 10 times the square of the number from the first. So 250 and then 160, and then it would go quickly plummet to 0. So the maximum amount of days you could stay would be 4 for 5 days and 4 nights. And then for the third option, which is $500 a day, then half that cost every single day, which would create a horizontal asymptote, as you would be approaching 0 and never reach it. I guess this is great for people who want to stay there and never ever leave, because that would happen, and they would be charging change for staying. Maybe 5 cents would become an entire month.
Hope to see you soon. Until then, keep being amazing. You rock.